Hi everyone. Wanted to start a new session with structured query language, one of a important language which everyone, every developer, every programmer or software engineer need to aware of. Since if you develop systems, you need this language badly. I did these sessions earlier with different DBMSs. I was using earlier Oracle and MySQL and even SQL Server 2002. But this time I'm going to use MySQL on MySQL using the my PHP MyAdmin. I'm going to do this. So what I want to tell you, this is one of important language. Every developer, every programmer, every software engineer has to aware of. Apart from that, actually, if we talk about what is structured query language, this is the language we use to talk to databases. This is the language we use to communicate with our DBMSs and talk to databases and retrieve data that we want. This is the language we use to add, delete, modify data on a databases. So that's why this language need to be learned in such a way where in a competent fashion, because you need it badly when you develop back end of any software. In my second point, I was talking about this SQL actually supported in RDBMS database management system, not on our typical old structural database management system. This is support relational database management system. I want you to refer, if anybody want to learn about this relational database management system, I prefer, I love if you can read this EF code relational database management system text material, so you can get a good knowledge about it. And finally, uh, this is something really nice. We know that JavaScript can be written inside the HTML. SQL language can be written in any of the programming language, even C Sharp, Java, VB.NET, PHP, Python, and many of the programming language, even JavaScript, many of the programming language support SQL, which means you can embed SQL codes and SQL program inside to any of these programming language. That's the best way. That is the best advantage you get, because you can straight away speak to database and add data, delete data, even search data. So that's about the SQL. So that's a very simple thing about SQL, the introductory. Hope you have learned something.